Find or read reviews that people are talking about Oura Ring 4. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Size before you buy. Oura Ring 4 sizes are different from standard ring sizes. Accuracy, smart sensing. Oura tracks over 30 biometrics, including sleep, activity, stress, heart health, and women's health metrics. Oura Ring 4 is powered by smart sensing, which adapts to you, delivering accurate, continuous data, day and night. Long-lasting battery. With up to 8 days of battery life, no screens, and no vibrations, Oura Ring 4 allows you to focus on the present. From a workout to a night out, you're free to forget it's on. Until you start getting compliments. Designed for 24/7 wear. The updated design of the Oura Ring 4 is more comfortable, fits better than ever, and is water resistant. The first all-titanium smart ring combines exceptional durability with a gentle touch, even for sensitive skin. Sync with your favorite apps. Compatible with iOS and Android, Oura seamlessly integrates with over 40 apps including Apple Health, Google Health Connect, Natural Cycles, Flow, Strava, and more. HSA/FSA eligible. We can accept HSA or FSA funds for the following: Oura Ring, additional chargers, and shipping. Looking for the best health tracker? Whether you're searching for a sleep ring or fitness ring, Oura Ring 4 is for you. This revolutionary smart ring that allows you to discreetly track your sleep, activity, recovery, and stress in style. Introducing Oura Ring 4, the latest evolution of the revolutionary smart ring. Oura Ring 4 brings you closer to what matters most: your health. The updated all-titanium design is powered by smart sensing, a new sensing platform that doesn't just measure your biometrics, it adapts to you. Providing insights into over 30 biometrics including sleep, readiness, activity, heart health, stress, and women's health. Oura Ring 4 quietly and comfortably monitors your health, and with up to 8 days of battery life you can forget it's even on. Sleeker, smarter, and more accurate than ever, Oura Ring 4 is made for you. Oura Ring 4 is FSA/HSA eligible. We can accept FSA or HSA funds for the following: Oura Ring 4, additional chargers, and shipping. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.